How to use Lowe for installation service. To use Lowe for installation service, you can either add installation at a checkout for standard product or schedule a consultation for complex custom project. So what you could do is, first of all, you could request installation service. So during a checkout, you could do this. So simply start adding item to your cart, and there you just want to go to the checkout sections. Once you go to the checkout section, you can then go ahead and add in your shipping, billing address, all that. And at the very bottom, you could also find, for my standard item, you could go to like dishwasher or sink. You could simply select add installation option before adding the product to your cart. Any required parts such as connectors or mounting barcodes are often added to your cart automatically as well. And for complex project like kitchen remodel, flooring, or window replacement, you must schedule a measurement or consultation. So you could book it online in store or by calling a toll-free number. So if you want to do this, you want to make sure to open up your browser, type in installation for Lowe. There you could go ahead and look for the first link that pops up, and this is where it's gonna take you to the very home page or the app, and you could go ahead and simply contact them, or you could go ahead and installation service, you could go to this and select what you like to do it or what you like to actually install, and this way you will be able to contact them or add for an installation. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.